I'm Holly, and you've made it to day 4. Great work getting to this point. So over the last couple days, we've learned a bit more about how to carry a trait of mindfulness on the mat and in our life. Little things we can do throughout the day to strengthen those neural pathways we're creating to bring our awareness to the breath in the present moment. So we're going to continue with practicing mindful awareness today. So find a space that feels safe and supported for you, and we'll get started. So choose if you'd like to be seated or lying down for this. Either works. In all honesty, most times I do my mindfulness practice in bed with a cup of coffee or a glass of water. So I frequently am lying down when I practice, and that's very okay. Let yourself be comfortable. And begin by just focusing on where your body meets the ground or the bed or the floor. And all points that are touching the floor. Good. Feel your spine lengthen. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears. And exhale, drop them down the back. And let's take 3 deep breaths here as usual. Inhale, fill your chest, your belly with air. Exhale, open your mouth, let it go. Inhale, the chest, the belly expand. Exhale, let it go. Inhale and exhale. Now gently rest your eyes and again scan your body from head to toe. Just taking mental inventory of what's present. And then bring your awareness to the breath. Observe how the inhale feels and the exhale. Notice the rhythm of the breath, its sound. Notice where in the body you feel the breath as it flows in and out. And try to count to 10 breaths. And each time you lose focus, maybe you get pulled away by a sound or a thought, just recognize that that has happened and then redirect your awareness back to the breath. It always makes me laugh at myself. Who knew counting to 10 could be so hard? But allow each breath to be a new beginning, an opportunity to begin again. So beginning with 1 as you count the breath. Each time that you notice your attention has drifted, without judgment, observe that that has happened and kindly redirect your awareness back to the breath. Begin again at 1. Each time you catch your mind wandering, simply notice it and lovingly redirect your attention back to the breath. Begin again at 1. And if your mind has drifted, or if you've made it to 10, just notice that. And again, kindly redirect your awareness back to the breath and try it again, beginning with 1. Now release any control over the mind and simply allow the mind to be. If it wants to wander, let it wander. If it chooses to be still, allow it to do so. And then return your awareness to your body on the floor. And just as we began, scan your body from head to toe again. And without judgment, simply notice if it's any different from when we began. Take a moment to pause and feel grateful for showing up for yourself in this profound way. And carry this grounding in presence with you as you slowly open your eyes and return to this space. And know that you can carry this with you for whatever comes next. And again, remember throughout the day to find little opportunities to be present. So each time you come to open a door or close a door, take a moment to feel your feet and breathe. Bringing mindful awareness into these little elements of your life. So thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow for day 5.